It is nice to eat good tomatoes all year round. Let's take advantage of high season to make canned tomatoes. We need 900 grams to 1 kilogram of tomatoes for a 1-liter jar. Start by washing the tomatoes. Sterilize the jars and the rubber seals by boiling them for 10 minutes. Remove them. Put a cooking grid or pieces of tile at the bottom of the pot to prevent the jars from breaking during the boiling. If you want to make canned tomatoes without the skin, superficially cut them in the cross shape. Immerse them in boiling water for 30 seconds. Then put them in cold water bath for 5 minutes. The skin comes off very easily. I like to keep the skin of the tomato for the benefits of antioxidant and lycopene. Cut them into pieces by removing the hard part. Put them in the jar. Press them well to remove the air and to prevent the jar from floating on the surface during sterilization.
Après, tu me donnes la louche?
Oui.
Voilà, je pense que
Ah, j'ai bien pressé. Tiens.
Add more tomato pieces to fill the jar. Press again. Don't fill to the brim. Leave about 3 centimeters. Add half teaspoon of salt. Wipe the rim of the jar with paper towels. Put the rubber seal on the cover. Close the jar. Put the jars in the pot. Space them out so they don't bump into each other. You can also wrap them in a clean towel. Add cold water. The jar should be submerged during the sterilization process. Let the water exceed by 3 centimeters. Put the lid on. Heat up. Sterilize for 1 hour when it starts to boil. Turn off the heat and let them cool overnight in the water. The next day, remove them from the pot. Wipe them off. Check that each jar is well sealed. If we can open it easily, it is not sterilized. Put the jars in the cupboard. You can keep them for 1 year. In winter, enjoy good summer tomatoes in your sauces. Soups or pizzas. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.